Hello friends, today we are going to see 10th semester maths exercise 5.1 second sum. Okay, now your sum is determine whether the sets of points are collinear. The 3 points collinear அப்படினு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. Collinear means what? They will be in the same straight line. Okay, so first of all we should know the condition for collinearity. What is the condition for collinearity? No. Collinearity means, all of listen here. Otherwise, collinear means area equal to 0. Collinear means area equal to 0. If the area of this triangle formed by this is 0, then we can say that these points are collinear. If area is 0, we can say that these points are collinear. So what we are going to find out now? We are going to find out area only. We are going to find out area only. So the formula, I'll write the formula. Area is equal to half into x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 then again x1 y1. This is the formula to find out area. Now this symbol, no, why we put this symbol? No, area should not be in negative. Area should not be in negative. So we have to write the points in order. Order wise only we should write the points when we find the area. Okay. If you are not writing like that, at last negative sign will come. Negative sign, modulus of negative sign will become positive sign. So for that only we should put this symbol. Okay. But if you take in anti-clockwise direction, then it will be okay. Okay. Let us do first. That is equal to half into. I'm going to apply the formula. x1 y1 c minus 1 by 2 comma 3 x1 y1 minus 1 by 2 comma 3. If you want, if you draw the rough diagram for this collinear problem also, minus 1 by 2 comma 3 minus 1 by 2 means minus 0.5. So here minus 0.5 comma 3 is here, then minus 5 comma 6 is here, then minus 8 comma 8 is here. So we can take this as ABC. Therefore minus 1 by 2 comma 3 minus 5 comma 6 minus 8 comma 8, then again we should put minus 1 by 2 comma 3. Okay, now we are going to multiply. Now we are going to multiply. So 1 by 2 into how to multiply? This arrow mark, minus 1 by 2 and 6. Here you put one arrow mark, here one put one arrow mark, here one put one arrow mark. All of listen. We are going to find out whether these points are collinear or not. Collinear means area will be 0. So I am going to check whether this area is equal to 0. The formula is area is equal to half into x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 x1 y1. I am going to apply the values. This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2 and this is x3 y3. y1 x2 y2 and this is x3 y3. Okay, now in the place of x1 y1 I have applied minus 1 by 2 comma 3, then x2 y2 minus 5 comma 6, x3 y3 minus 8 comma 8, again x1 y1. I am going to see the area of these points. Okay, now see, first you multiply this minus 1 by 2 and 6. Minus 1 by 2 into 6 bracket plus, see, first minus 1 by 2 into 6 you multiply, then plus minus 5 into 8 minus 5 into 8, then plus, see, minus 1 by 2 into 6, plus minus 5 into 8, plus minus 8 into 3, minus 8 into 3. So one set over. Multiplication of this, plus this, plus this. Then minus next set. What is next set? 3 into minus 5, plus 6 into minus 8, plus 8 into minus 1 by 2. I write here. 3 into minus 5. 3 into minus 5. Then plus minus 5. Then 6 into minus 8. 6 into minus 8 plus 8 into minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. This is second set. Okay. This bracket is the whole bracket. The whole bracket, because this 1 by 2 is common to both. 1 by 2 is common to both. Again I will explain. Minus 1 by 2 into 6 plus minus 5 into 8 plus minus 8 into 3, one set. Minus 3 into minus 5 plus 6 into minus 8 plus 8 into minus 1 by 2. I am going to simplify this. 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2 into 6. If you cancel this 2 and this 6, we will get minus 3. Then minus 5 into 8, minus 40. Minus 5 into 8, 5 8s are 40. Then minus 8 into 3, minus 24. Okay. The next set. Minus, next set. This is the next set. Minus 3 into minus 5. Minus 15. 6 into minus 8. Minus 48. 8 into minus 1 by 2. This 2 and this 8 will be cancelled. Here 4 will come. Therefore, 4 into minus 1, minus 4. Now, that is equal to 1 by 2 into minus 3, minus 40, minus 24. When you add this, you will get minus 67. Then minus next one, minus 15, minus 48, minus 4. Minus 15, minus 48, minus 4. 40, 50, then 64, 60. C. 40, 50, 63, 67. Minus 67. Listen me carefully. Again I explain. Minus 15, minus 48, minus 4. When you add this, you will get minus 67. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into minus 67, minus into minus plus 67. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into, this is 0. So equal to 0. So what do you understand from this? Area is equal to 0. At last we got area is equal to 0. Therefore, we can say that the given points are collinear. The given points are collinear. Area is equal to 0 means the given points are collinear. Thank you. தொடர்ந்து என்னோட சேனலை பாருங்க. 10th சமச்சீர் மேக்ஸோட இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் சம்ஸ் மட்டும் அப்லோட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். Thank you.